You might ask yourself, why do you need 5G in a screwdriver? That must be the stupidest tool in the box. But it's not. So one of the challenges we have when it comes to private 5G networks for the industry is that there's kind of a standoff between the equipment vendors and end users in the industry. Nobody really wants to invest in developing 5G equipment if there are no networks to deploy them in, and nobody wants to buy a 5G network if there's no equipment to fill them with. So that's something we work heavily now to make the ecosystem move in pace. And one of the good examples there is a collaboration with Atlas Copco. They are making industrial power tools. So together with them, we have now a 5G native screwdriver or torque tool. So they have actually built 5G into one of their products so you can buy off the shelf. These are super critical tools for industries like automotive or airplane manufacturers. So what they do is, for every car for a specific screw, they will go up to the manufacturing system, download that correct torque for that screw, apply that torque with all the different sensors that are inside this. They take 4,000 measurements per screw and then uploads that again. And you need to have that connectivity to move that data back and forth. Any interruption in the communication means that you don't have green lights on all your screws on your station and your main production line stops. And it might be a short stop, but if you're producing one car every 60 seconds, it gets very costly. So therefore, the reliability that we can put into this tool now with 5G is directly turned into productivity for the manufacturers. So that's a really good example when we can make the ecosystem move in pace. We have a customer in Nestlé who are using our technology with a private 5G network in their KitKat production in Brazil. So they have AMRs, autonomous vehicles, moving around connected to the 5G network to increase the flexibility. They have sensors for monitoring the production line to avoid unplanned stop during predictive maintenance. And then they have a vision system looking at the chocolate, checking for contamination and that all the wafers are aligned. So they have a quality check as well. Normally, when you look at an industry, there is basically one network per application. So there's a Zigbee network, a Bluetooth network, a Wi-Fi network, a cable network, and so on. 5G is introducing this flexibility that we can address a multiple number of use cases with the same technology.